Hi everyone, welcome back to Aussie Rider Caravans. Today I'm really excited to take you on a tour of our beautiful Aussie Rider Paradise model. It's a 21-foot couples caravan. This particular one behind me is a tourer, and you can build this as a semi-off-road or full off-road version with independent coil suspension. In that situation, you will have the weight capacity to upgrade to a flat panel on the exterior if you prefer. This floor plan is impeccable. Come and check it out with me. So let's start at the front of the van. You have a massive storage unit going across the front, along with a large number of mirrors, which makes it feel so much more spacious in here as well. You have an island queen bed which is separated from the front storage, which means you have walking space all around the bed, and all of the space underneath the bed is all storage. Plus, it makes it really easy to fix the bed in the morning. As we move on to the center of the van, we have our L-shaped lounge on the off side and kitchen on side. Whatever you do on this side of the van will actually have more room. So if you want more bench space and a larger kitchen, this is where you would want your kitchen. If you want a cafe seating, that's definitely doable in this floor plan, but you'd have to increase to maybe a 22 or a 23 footer, and you'd have your cafe seating on this side of the van. As you look around, you'll be able to see all this overhead cabinetry, which means there's a massive amount of storage in this van. If you wanted to drop this table down to create a bed, we can definitely install a mapper table in this van for you. You also have the TV mounted across from the bed, but it's viewable from all areas of the caravan. When we're talking about the electricals in this van, you have a reverse cycle air conditioner on your roof. You also have 2 internal speakers and 2 external speakers. You have reading lamps with the USB ports underneath them. You have 2 210 watt solar panels on your roof with 2 105 lithium batteries and a Projector 300 management system. With the plumbing, you have a 100 litre grey water tank, 2 95 litre freshwater tanks, 2 gas bottles at the front of your van mounted onto the A-frame, and they're 9 kilos each. In the kitchen area, you do have a full oven that we can swap over for a pot drawer for you if you don't use the oven that often. You do have also a stovetop with 4 burners, 3 gas, 1 electric, and there's definitely a water filter included in all our vans. With this being a rear door floor plan, it's really convenient to access your compressor fridge as soon as you enter the van. You also do have an NCE flatbed microwave included with this model as a standard. As you come into the ensuite, you have a wall mount washing machine, but if you don't want this one here, you can opt in to have a full linen cupboard, which will give you more storage space. And you can, if you still do want a washing machine, have a front loader or top loader. And of course, you still do have your full shower. I wanted to let you know, as always, we do specialize in custom building vans. So if there's anything you want to change in this floor plan or any other features that you want to add on, we can definitely help you out with that. We really look forward to building your brand new Aussie Rider Paradise model for you. We'll see you soon.